We are starting another.
Trail together.
Yes, where are we going, Sri?
Shekhawat region.
Yes, Shekhawati region. And this time I'm doing it with a bunch of ladies. You can see them here
Bangalore, Goa
from
and
Bangalore.
Pune.
Yeah, from Bangalore, Goa, and we are having a lead person, but more on that later. Now we are off to having lunch.
Lunch and
Then we are driving to.
Bharatpur.
And where are we going in
Looking
Bharatpur?
forward to staying in a nice birders inn nest or something like that.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then tomorrow is the exciting birding experience tomorrow.
Yes. So till we reach the Burn Inn,
Birders
whatever,
Inn, I think.
Birders Inn. This is Sri Lakshmi, and I'm Sangeeta Venkatesh. And stay tuned till the end of our trail. So we have set out on our birding adventure at Keoladeo Birding Park. We hope to see a lot of the migratory birds here in this group. We are in this buggy which will take us all around the birding park.
Keoladeo National Park is one of India's most iconic bird sanctuaries. Every winter, this quiet wetland transforms into a buzzing hub of life as thousands of residents and migratory birds arrive from across Eurasia to escape the cold. Over 400 species have been recorded here so far. Interestingly, this lush haven began as a duck shooting reserve in 1899 under the Bharatpur princely state. Thanks to the efforts of the legendary Salim Ali, it became the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in 1956 and was declared a protected area in 1971, and finally notified as Keoladeo National Park in 1982. Just 3 years later, UNESCO recognized its incredible biodiversity and declared it a World Heritage Site. What makes Keoladeo especially, so special is its unique man-made wetland system, a lifeline for wildlife in this otherwise dry region. It not only supports animals during harsh summers but also protects nearby settlements from flash floods and provides grazing land for local communities.
See, there is a hibernating python behind the rusted, rusted plates. Well, amongst the birds, we also got to see this.
Barely half a kilometer in, the marshes on both sides were already bursting with life. Little egrets, woolly neck storks, black ibis, spot-billed ducks, herons, and the forest was quiet that we could actually hear the bird songs. By the lake, dozens of duck species floated peacefully while darters claimed every fallen tree trunk. And then came the highlight, a massive colony of painted storks busy feeding their young. It was unforgettable watching the adults fly in with fresh fish and gently feed the babies. We were also lucky to spot pelicans and even a few saris cranes up close. Spread across 29 square kilometers, the park is a beautiful patchwork of grasslands, woodlands, swamps, and seasonal wetlands, right where the desert slowly blends into the tropics. And the biodiversity here is astonishing. Besides birds, you will find around 20 species of fish, 70 reptiles and amphibians, 50 mammals, more than 60 types of butterflies, over 1,000 invertebrates, and nearly 400 plant species. The national park was officially established on 10th March 1982, but its story goes much further back. Once the private duck shooting preserve of the Maharaja of Bharatpur in the 1850s, the area evolved over time, becoming a bird sanctuary in 1976, a Ramsar wetland site in 1981, and finally a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. Roughly one third of it is wetland, dotted with mounds, dikes, and shimmering stretches of open water. The rest is a blend of upland grasslands, pockets of woodland, and scattered shrubs. You'll find the thickets of the majestic kadam trees and a mix of short and tall grasses that create perfect habitats for wildlife. In all, the park shelters 379 flowering plant species, including 96 wetland varieties. These wetlands, part of the vast Indo-Gangetic plains, work on a natural cycle of flooding and drying. Water stays only in certain depressions, which helps maintain a healthy freshwater ecosystem ideal for waterfowl. During extreme drought years, the park even pumps water from deep tube wells to sustain small pools, protecting seeds, spores, and aquatic lives. It is this delicate balance of landscape and water that makes Keoladeo a winter refuge for thousands of birds, including the famous Siberian crane, and a thriving home for countless residents species all year round. So that's about it about the Keoladeo Birding Park. From me, Sangeeta Venkatesh. I hope you like this short video and documentation. I'll see you in the next video. Do let me know if it has kind of spurred you on to go and visit this place. Bye bye. Until next time.